Good evening, welcome everybody to the Mining Institute. This is an incredible building, not just because of the architecture, but because of the collection and what that represents. It is no less than the world's best library to study the early industrial revolution. Those aren't my words, those are the words from the west coast and the east coast of America from two very distinguished professors of history. Our records go way back into the 1600s and include an awful lot of spying throughout what was then the developed industrial world, which proved that we managed to do it better than the French, the Belgians, the Norwegians, the Swedes and various other people. And Germany hadn't even been mentioned then. We also developed various things like the Suez Canal was a bright idea of one of these presidents, George Eliot. The story of Dracula begins with the same man, George Eliot, but that's for another time. Come back, Heritage Open Days or something, and we can regale you with many of these tales. Why this room? Well, one thing, it's got a very nice acoustic. And secondly, this lecture theatre has a very long history of association with the medical profession, at least in Newcastle. Just over my shoulder at the back, where now you have the light of the Orchard Street railway tunnels, was the first proper medical school that was actually got going and was formed underneath Durham University. That then, the Mining Institute pressured government for many, many years to have a proper university in Newcastle, and eventually managed it with the College of Physical Science, which was based in this building, together with the medical school, and this one was in fact developed as their first lecture theatre, and convocation was first held here in July 1871, a full year before the rest of the building was actually finished. There had been a carpenter's strike back here. Nothing ever changes in history. So, we go all the way back 160 odd years here. We were founded really to promote the art and science of mining. And what did that mean in practice? It meant stop killing 6-year-old and 10-year-old boys and other men in mines. That's why we were developed. And oddly enough, it's still a role we have today. Part of our collection now is visited by, I'll call them lawyers, for want of a better word, from various sites, all looking now for evidence on why it is that so many men are still dying as a result of the industries that they worked in. We won't mention some of the cases because they're foregone conclusions when you read some of our reports. So hopefully we're still helping some of these guys at least get the compensation they deserve, even though we can't find a medical cure for some of their ailments. So we have a relevance today, as we always have done. Where are we taking this building next? Well, we will hope in 2 years' time to be shutting down for about 12 months and to redevelop the building a little bit. We'll have brand new facilities, fully accessible, and we'll be reopening, we hope, by December 1919 in a fully modernised building, but none of the features that are historic importance will be anything other than conserved and improved a little bit. So I hope you enjoy your evening here, and good luck with the outcome. Thank you very much.